Little storyteller.
Liam was a little boy with bright, curious eyes and hair like sunshine. He loved to splash in puddles and play with his toy boat, but the big swimming pool made his tummy feel like it had butterflies. The water looked so deep and so wide. One sunny day, Liam's dad took him to the pool. Dad had kind eyes and a big smile. He held Liam's hand tight. "The water feels nice, Liam," Dad said, his voice gentle like a soft breeze. Liam put one toe in. The water was cool and ticklish. He still felt a little scared, like a tiny bird about to fly for the first time. "Hold my hands, Liam," Dad said. Liam held on tight. Dad slowly walked backwards into the water, pulling Liam gently with him. The sun made the water sparkle like a pool full of tiny diamonds. Liam felt the water around his tummy. He squeezed Dad's hands. "I'm scared, Daddy," he whispered. "I've got you, Liam," Dad said softly. "I won't let you go." Liam looked at his dad's kind eyes. He saw how much Dad loved him. Slowly, Liam let go of one of Dad's hands. He wobbled a little, but Dad was right there, smiling. Soon Liam was kicking his feet and splashing. He felt like a little fish. He laughed and laughed. He wasn't scared anymore, because he knew Dad would always be there to keep him safe. Later, as they sat by the pool, Dad told Liam, "Did you know that water helps us float, because it pushes up on us? It's like the water is giving you a little hug." Liam smiled. He learned that even when things seem scary, having someone you trust can make all the difference.
Please subscribe. Thank you.